You know why most people stay stuck? Because they let their feelings run the show. They wake up and say, I don't feel like it today. And then they don't move. They don't grind. They don't chase what matters. They call it tiredness, stress, or burnout. But the truth? It's softness. They've handed their life over to moods, fear, and doubt. And here's the harsh reality. Your feelings don't care about your goals. They don't care about your future. Feelings care about comfort. They want you safe, small, and the same as yesterday. But greatness is never built on feelings. Let me tell you this. If you think the people at the top felt like it every day, you're wrong. Do you think champions wake up at 4 a.m. excited every single morning? Do you think they enjoy pushing their bodies in the rain, in the dark, when no one's cheering for them? No. They don't feel like it, but they do it anyway. That's the difference. Losers wait for the right mood. Winners move no matter what. Here's the truth your feelings won't tell you. They lie. They tell you you're too tired, too broken, too late. And if you listen to them, you'll stay right where you are. Same place, same life, same regrets. If you want freedom, if you want real success, stop treating your emotions like facts. Feeling like a failure doesn't mean you are one. Feeling lost doesn't mean you can't find your way. Feelings are noise, loud, distracting, temporary noise. And you? You are built for more. The only thing that saves you is action. Discipline. Habits repeated daily, even when it hurts. Especially when it hurts. Life will not wait until you feel good. Life doesn't owe you joy. You owe it sweat. You owe it effort. You owe it your best, even on the days when your feelings scream, stop. One day you'll wake up and realize the world doesn't care how you felt. It only cares about what you did. Did you show up? Did you push through? Did you build something real? Or did you let your emotions chain you down? This isn't about ignoring your feelings. It's about mastering them. It's about doing the hard work anyway. When you do that, when you choose action over comfort, you stop being average. You become unstoppable. You become a savage. You become the storm. And don't get fooled by people saying follow your feelings or listen to your heart. Feelings change with the weather. But purpose? Purpose stays. Purpose doesn't care if you slept well. Purpose doesn't care what people said about you yesterday. Purpose is what drags you out of bed at 4 a.m. and whispers, we've got work to do. So what's it going to be? Keep letting your emotions run your life like spoiled children, or take your power back. Nobody's going to hand you discipline. You build it. One choice at a time. One rep at a time. One day at a time. That's how warriors are made. That's how legacies are built. You weren't born to sit in weakness. You weren't born to let fear decide your future. You were born to conquer, to rise, to feel the weight of life and lift it anyway. And every time you do, every step you take when you don't feel like it, that's a victory. Wins stack. They build momentum. And eventually, you create a version of yourself your old self could never imagine. So stop waiting. Stop negotiating with your moods. Stop hoping for motivation to knock on your door. It's not coming. Discipline is already here, and discipline is the only way forward. If this message hits you, don't just listen, act on it. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this fire today. Let's grow together. Because feelings fade, motivation fades. But discipline builds empires. And you, yes you, are capable of becoming unstoppable.